I was with the president the other day in northern Kenya. I saw some people making a lot of fun about the long road he was explaining. And actually I was very happy when I saw people trying to mock the president, because I have information which they don't have. That road is going to be constructed. Yeah. The people saying that, they don't know. This government is going to construct a road from ISIOLO to Mandera in the next 2.5 years. There are 11 contractors on the ground, each with a stretch of about 100+ kilometers. Some sections 40%, 50% is already tarmacked. But because the person making just ako kwa simu hapo, ajui Samata ni wapi, ajui Kotulo ni wapi, ajui sijui ni wapi. So anafanya mzaha. And you know, when 2027 comes and we go to account, we will use that road from ISIOLO to Mandera.